Hi friends, welcome to Kiran's English Academy, and today we are going to focus on the topic idioms. So we are in part 3. Part 1 we have already seen, part 2 also we have already seen, and today we are going to watch idioms part 3. So in this first one, let us see in leaps and bounds. In leaps and bounds, which means very quickly. In leaps and bounds, meaning very quickly. Next one is odds and ends. Odds and ends, which means small things of many kinds without much value. Small things without much value. At the crack of dawn. Dawn and dusk అంటాం కదా మనం. Dawn అంటే మార్నింగ్, dusk అంటే ఈవినింగ్. So here at the crack of dawn, which means early in the morning. Early in the morning. Speak your mind. Speak your mind, which means state your opinion openly. You tell your opinion openly. The alpha and omega, the beginning and the end. మీరు ఇక్కడ గమనించాలి, ఎన్ డబల్ ఎన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. The alpha and omega, the beginning and the end. This idiom asked in Gurukula, TGT, PGT. The alpha and omega, which means the beginning and the end. Next, make no bones. Make no bones, which means make no objections. Make no bones, which means make no objections. Next we have to eat your words. To eat your words, which means to take back what you have said. To take back what you have said. Yes, let us go with the 8th idiom, that is to take to one's heels. To take to one's heels అంటే to run away. To run away. ఇది పోలీస్ కానిస్టేబుల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో వచ్చిన idiom ఇది. To take to one's heels, which means to run away. Fast and furious. Fast and furious, which means full of speed, full of excitement. Fast and furious, which means full of speed, full of excitement. Next we have 10th one, snake in the grass. Snake in the grass అంటే గడ్డిలో పాము ఉందని అర్థం కాదు ఇక్కడ. విచ్ ఇక్కడ దీని అర్థం ఏంటిదంటే స్నేక్ ఇన్ ద గ్రాస్, విచ్ మీన్స్ అన్రికగ్నైజ్డ్ డేంజర్. సి మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటారు, చాలా మంది ఉంటారు. ఆ ఫ్రెండ్స్లలో మన మాటలు విని మనకే చెప్తుంటారు, వాళ్ళు మన గురించి వేరే వాళ్ళకి చెప్తుంటారు. సో దోస్ ఫెలోస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్, దోస్ ఫెలోస్ ఆర్ లైక్ snake in the grass, which means dangerous fellows. So a bird's eye view. A bird's eye view means view from a high angle. You look from all over the view. Next, to fight tooth and nail. To fight tooth and nail. Make all efforts to win. You fight tooth and nail, which means you put all efforts to win. Next we have to throw cold water. To discourage somebody. To throw cold water. Don't throw cold water on others. Don't discourage others, which means, see, to throw cold water, which means to discourage. At finger's end. At finger's end. To know thoroughly. మీరందరూ ఇక్కడ గమనించాలి, thoroughly spelling THOROUGHLY, thoroughly. So this is the spelling, thoroughly. Thoroughly means completely. Thoroughly means completely. So అవేదో అందరూ గమనించాలి. స్పెల్లింగ్స్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ పుట్ ఆన్ ఎ పీస్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్, యూ మస్ట్ నో పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ వాట్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఆన్ ఎ షీట్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్. నెక్స్ట్, ఎట్ ఫింగర్స్ ఎండ్. ఎట్ ఫింగర్స్ ఎండ్, టు నో థరోలీ. నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టర్న్ ఎ డెఫ్ ఇయర్ టు. refuse to listen. To turn a deaf ear to, which means refuse to listen. So don't you turn a deaf ear to, refuse to listen. Don't refuse to listen to my class, because all these are very important idioms which are previously asked in the different kinds of competitive exams. Therefore you must go through all these important idioms. Okay, please, if you like my class, subscribe the channel, and also you share this channel to YouTube channel to other competitors who are preparing for competitive exams. Okay, like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.